Myrtle Beach is the unofficial golf capital of the country, with over 100 golf courses and 50 of them rated 4 stars or more, according to Golf Digest. There are 215 sunny days of temperatures that average anywhere from the high of 56 degrees in January to 91 degrees in July. Just on the northern coast of South Carolina, living in Myrtle Beach has it all. Located just southwest of downtown Myrtle Beach, you will find the area known as Socastee. Right across the swing bridge over the Intercoastal and just off Forest Brook Road, you will find 3789 Roberta Lane.
Hi there, I'm Ann Milano and welcome to 3789 Roberta Lane, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Let's go inside.
This custom-built, all-sided brick, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is just 4 lots away from the Intercoastal. As you enter the elegant foyer, you will find the separate, large, formal dining room to your left, perfect for entertaining with its bay window. The home opens to the living room, separated by the see-through brick wood-burning fireplace, to the great room with brand new flooring and sky-high ceilings. Enter the beautifully designed chef's kitchen, complete with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Relax in the quiet of the master's suite with its French doors that overlook the backyard. Then head down the hallway with his and her walk-in closets opposite of each other into the spacious master bath, which has granite countertops, his and her vessel sinks, separate jacuzzi tub, and huge glass shower. Let's head upstairs. On the second level, you will find a computer nook, 2 spacious secondary bedrooms, a bathroom, and a huge bonus room. The first bedroom has hardwood floors and French doors that lead to the large balcony deck overlooking the backyard. The second bedroom with its bay window and sky blue walls creates a bright and open atmosphere. The large secondary bathroom is perfect for sharing. The huge bonus room is perfect as a 4th bedroom, media room, or playroom. Let's check out the backyard. Enjoy an afternoon by the pool in the backyard, which is perfect for entertaining with its large patio that leads out to a huge, fenced-in park-like area. With easy access to highways 501 and 17, grocery stores like Bilo and Food Lion, and close to a popular spot called Market Common for a fun night out of dining and shopping, it looks like 3789 Roberta Lane has it all. For more information about this fabulous find, contact Ann Milano with House America Real Estate Group at 404-966-3980.